Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So today we'll discuss on what are mutual funds. So on hearing this name, everyone will get to know that remember that famous dialogue, mutual funds are subject to market risk. Please check before investing. So that is right. So what are these mutual funds? Mutual funds, we can say it's a type of financial vehicle. So why it is called a financial vehicle? Because it is made up of pool of funds or pool of money. It is going to be made of pool of funds or pool of money being collected from different investors. So for example, in our case we are taking some 10 members who are our investors. So each investor will be having their surplus amount of wealth which they don't know what to do with. So at that time, and if they don't want to straight away involve in stock market trading or something else, they just reach this kind of mutual fund agencies. So mutual fund, you are telling as financial vehicle, you are calling as a mutual fund agency, so you might get confused. But mutual fund are like kind of organization, or it's a kind of we can say it as a whole entity itself. So what these mutual funds will do, they will get these investors interest, what their investing interest in which they want to invest their money and see returns. They will check for the details, and based upon that they will give some suggestions. So who will give suggestions? The suggestions are going to be given by the money managers. So who are these money managers? These money managers are people who work for this mutual fund agencies. So these money managers will be allocating the funds from different investors, and they will invest that funds into different securities, stock markets, anywhere. So it can be into stocks, bonds, money market, other assets. So many things are there. Even art gallery, whatever be they want to trade, they will check their area of interest, and they will suggest if you are going to invest this money here, you will be able to gain a return of this much amount. So based upon their suggestion, this collected amount of money from the investors will be completely managed by this money managers, and they will be invested in different securities. So it is not only like they are going to say, for example, say 10 members are there. For one member we can take an example. So one member is just giving some 10 lakhs for investment. Not all the 10 lakhs should be invested into one specific investment. The 10 lakhs can be divided or diversified and made into first investment, second investment and third investment. The first investment could be into stock market. Second could be into commercial papers. And third one can be kind of art, design, anything. So even these money managers don't know where to invest. For that there is a kind of portfolio maintained actually. This portfolio is a collection of different securities or financial instruments where the money can be invested. So each and every mutual fund or organization or entity, so you would have heard, right, ICICI Prudential. So there are many kind of other organizations who are having their own mutual fund entities running up. So each and every particular mutual fund, they maintain their own portfolio. This portfolio will be having the collection of this one instrument or securities, in which they actually going to invest the investors' money. Instruments or the collection of instruments, financial instruments. So since a portfolio is going to tell what are all possible through that particular mutual fund. The money managers, based upon that, they will be advising or they will be managing the investors' money by investing into that specific thing. So based upon the capital gains or loss, that particular amount of share will be returned to the investors back. In some cases, the investors don't want to take the money back. They want to reinvest the profit gain. So that is also another case. So those advising also done by the money managers. They itself advise, if you are going to reinvest this gain again or this profit again into this business, in so many years you will be able to see so many numbers in growth. So this being a slow growth, it's better you take the profit now and then, no need to reinvest. So those kind of analysis also being performed by money managers, and in return they will advise the investors accordingly, so that the wealth management is being done in an optimized manner to yield very good returns, maximum returns. So if you are telling, okay, all these things, like why, what is the risk, or what is the problem in this investing in mutual funds, if you ask me. So here I told, right, not all kind of financial instruments are risk free. If you see, this is the stock market. So a portion of your money is invested in stock market is subject to market risk. We know, right? Stock is like very liquid, and there the risk is also very high. So we might not know, based upon the mark to market value or profit and gains will be calculated on a MTM daily basis. So that is why there is kind of risk in mutual funds. But if we take precautionary steps, say like I told, right, one person is having some 10 lakhs. So if he is going to invest all the 10 lakhs into stock market, then based upon if the stock market goes down, the 10 lakh investor will be like facing a huge loss. But if they plan it and diversify and put it up into different investments, say stock market can go up, he can see a high yield. But see this commercial papers. These commercial papers are kind of again a tricky area and also high risk area, we can say. So say he's like 50% of 10 lakhs, say like 5 lakhs is taken and invested into commercial papers of a organization. So that organization go on a bankrupt or some kind of financial issues. So that will in turn affect this investor's 5 lakh amount which was invested there. So now we get it, right? Like this only, mutual funds will be like kind of having a hidden risk. So to mitigate the risk, the diversification, we can say, diversification of our funds is helping us to mitigate that risk and overcome that risk in future. So this is how this mutual funds actually work. So let's again go through the key points. So a mutual fund is a type of investment vehicle or a financial vehicle consisting of a portfolio. This portfolio will know what are and all the financial instruments available within that set of mutual fund, so that the investor can choose one among them. But they don't choose it straight away. Only they'll get they'll tell their interest to the money managers, and it is money managers are the person who will straight away deal with the investors' money by investing into the securities and again getting the returns and getting back to the investors their profit or loss. So this is like this. So we can say, okay, this company is like doing all these kinds for free. Why they are going to do the wealth management for these kind of investors for free? No, that is not the case. This mutual funds is going to be having a fees which is called as expense ratio. This expense ratio will be acting as a percentage of amount whichever we are getting on our profit or the capital gains whatever we are getting through the investment on the securities. Say for example, if 10 members are there, each 10 member is like contributing some amount of money. So the 10 members investment is being put up into different stocks, commercial papers, debt instruments, art design, other assets, so any liquid asset, many things are there. So they invest and get some amount in return. So each and every 10 member, whatever their capital amount is going to be there and whatever the gains they have got on that. Say for example, the 10 lakh invested person has got some 10% of profit by investing in the commercial papers itself. So on the 10% profit, mostly like this expense ratio is fixed by this mutual fund agencies. So it will be varying to 1 to 3%. Mostly they charge it kind of this way. So it will be the lesser amount will be mostly the fund agencies have been kept as 1, maximum to 3. So of the 10% what is the amount, and in that 10% amount what is the 1% of amount, that will be kind of we can say it as a commission fee or an expense ratio or the fees going to be paid for the mutual funds as they are going to help out in our wealth management. So this is what guys, how mutual funds work and how they are having this hidden risk and how the money managers are going to help us with the portfolio diversification investments and how we are going to repay them kind of as a commission using this expense ratio. So hope you all got an idea of what are mutual funds. Thanks for watching the video guys. Please do like and subscribe our channel. Also do share it to your friends. Until then, it's your VK signing off. Bye bye.